Aliens have been detected by NASA in several nations. It is reported that they come with hostile intentions against humanity. Thus you shall avoid them, and do not interact with anything that seems strange. Seek shelter and grab a kitchen knife or a gun to protect yourself. May we all survive this situation.
Perhatian, 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 perhatian.
This interview is actually also being broadcasted in Australia too. Today we have 18-year-old Nathan Gould from San Francisco. So Nathan, what did you saw last night?
Yesterday at 9 p.m., I saw bright green and blue lights, and a huge aircraft were approaching the malls nearby. I couldn't tell what it was. I thought I was hallucinating, so I went back to sleep. But screaming and gunshots woke me up. My cat was gone. But suddenly...
Citizens of the United States and Australia, be aware. The following territories or states is fallen: Montana, Nevada, California, Tasmania, Victoria, South Australia, and the Northern Territory. Canberra is currently being raided by aliens. Airports to Indonesia are now closed.